So guys, welcome back to my channel. uh I want to quickly review this project for you guys. Like I do normally tell people on my WhatsApp group that Ponzi scheme are still available everywhere. All these new platforms that are just coming up trading since the end of last year up to this present time, they are all Ponzi scheme. Now this is Paul mining. So if you look at this project, I am a web developer. I know series of templates to do all these websites. Now let's take a look at it from here. You can see join our miner family now and start your mining journey. Register to get exclusive and stuff like that. So now if you look at this name from the beginning is a scam. Now let me go ahead and copy this name and go straight to another tab on my browser, and then let me just put this phone on not. So now let me just search this name, as you can see. So look at this name now. If you look at this person is not who they have pronounced to tell us that he is. Now this person, if you look at it, this person a 2009 graduate of Yale University and stuff like that, which is not right. Now if you look at this, how to become a miner, you register, browse mining machine and place order. There's nothing like you are mining on any website. The best mining you can have is a physical mining, whereby you have your mining gadgets at home, anti-miners and others like that. You can mine and do all those stuff, and which is not literally common in Nigeria. So now if you look at this website, let me just run through it very fast, and you can see that this is a proof of scam. Now our team, look at it. This is a big error. Now the prototype there, the typographical error there, Joseph Art Away. If you look at the picture I have here, look at the person. Are they alike? No. Look at everything. They are not the same. Look at it. Look at it. Let me zoom in so that you can see. Can you see? So it is purely a scam. Matt Let's Wizard, all of these people are not real. All of them are not real. And then look at their certificate. Anybody can get this certificate online on Google and then put the name of the company, erase it and edit it with any editing software. All these licenses are scams. All these licenses are scam. And then if you look right from here, you can see their company location is NG. A normal professional website like Binance website, Mexis, any website that is professional doesn't look this way. So I don't know why people fall victim of all these mining platform. Now look at it now. Let's go here. Let's say we want to go to PMT. I think that is where they have their now. This is another website inside that same website. Then you can now go to login. If you click on login, we are trying to review it together. Look at it. If you click on and then you are asked to create a new account, all these are big error. Now let me try and make a registration and you can see now. So look at it now. So let me just put a nickname there and then a password. Let's just have it this way, and then I'm trying to sign up so that I'm going to show you the inner dashboard of their system. Now please enter invitation code. I don't have. Can you see? It is a must for you to be referred to this type of platform. So if you don't have a referral code, you won't be able to join. That is what they use to scam people. So now On this platform, someone now came to me and said, "Oh, sir, I have these issues, stuff like that." And now we now have issue